How long does it take you to make an average rug? Hello? We are back. Look what I bought. The Rode wireless mic. I'm excited to use this. This is my first video using this. But the main reason why I bought two is because we're getting ready for a marketplace. All getting made for the event that I'm going to. The video should be posted after this one. Right now we have this. The banner, the Instagram, and the YouTube. Bruh. Oh, I got these seats too. These tough? Yo, Chad, these tough? I did this one. They all need to be shaved still, so. So we have the Charizard, Charmander. These are like the Pokemon ones. They all need to get shaved. Snorlax. Gengar. Oh, and this one's gonna be there. That Mirror's gonna be there. This Kanye one. There, the Lana's gonna be there. So basically, the market is on October 8th in Chandler. So if you're in Arizona, you wanna go to a marketplace, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be selling my stuff on the marketplace. You're gonna see me there. The video is gonna be there. The vlog, I'm gonna vlog over there. It's gonna be my first marketplace I ever done. But if I like it a lot, I will do more. And if the video comes out fire, I'm gonna make more videos on that. All like the information on the marketplace is gonna be right here on the Instagram. What the fuck? I'll post it on my Instagram. If you're not following me, it's right here. I don't know what I'm doing. I posted, if you have any questions about the rugs I make or about myself, I'm about to hit 700. I'm excited about that. I only have like 5 questions. So when are you making a Playboy Cardi rug? I really like making like artist rugs, like the Mac Miller one, which is right here. The Tyler the Creator, right here. The Kanye, both of the Kanyes, right here. Frank Ocean, right here. I think I'm gonna do it after this batch, because I wanna make more, maybe. Emily, my girlfriend, she said, do you like making rugs? I do. I really like creating stuff. And she also made another one saying making rugs or tables. I don't know. Really, I like making rugs better. The rugs are better. Because I like how I put more time into the rugs. The only thing I don't like about the rugs is when I'm shaved. Like, I'm going to show you guys right now. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Because of the rugs. Yarn all over the place. But I like making rugs better. I don't know. What's your favorite rug? My favorite rug is... Actually, I already know which one. Is this one. It's one of my first big ones. One right here is my favorite rug of all time. This one's made like a year ago. Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Super, I like them all. Favorite thing about making rugs? That's a good question. I'm done with the rug and I cut it up like the Gengar one and all the Pokemon ones. I didn't shave those yet, but I like seeing them how they are right now with no shave, no nothing. And then I sit here, shave them for like 3-4 hours, and then when it's done, I like seeing the final result. How it looks like janky, and then when I shave it, put all my time into it, and then I take pictures of it for the Instagram. It's like a French kiss. How long does it take you to make an average rug? It depends on how much color, because these are all basic colors, all in a full day. When I say a full day, I mean like wake up at like 8, 9, and then finish it around, like all the whole color around like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then glue it, and waiting for the glue to dry takes like a whole hour. So I'm gonna say 2 days, if I really focus on it. But if it's something with so many colors, like a lot of colors, it takes me more days. But I do have a full-time job. I work 40 hours a week, and then I also do this on the side. Those are all the questions. There we go. Could y'all see that? So I think I'm gonna just play basketball. I need to be active sometimes. Can't just stay in the room all day. here. I didn't record the process of me making them, but I made them all. Come on. It's a lot. 30 something right now. Right now we're going to a place where I take the photos at, and it'll be on my Instagram. It'll be right here. I introduce my boy right here. Yeah, my boy right here. And in the next video, me and him are going to be mic'd up. I'm gonna set my camera up, and then these are gonna be for sale at the market. It's my first ever pop-up shop where they're gonna have 40 vendors, food trucks, and everything like that.
And it's hot. I'm sweating. Yeah, open it. Look at that.
All right, chat. Look at these.
Boom. Then he falls in with the rugs.
Look at these little duckies. Yo, chat. The ducks bite for real? Oh, they fly.
Guys,
oh, they
I'm
don't
tired.
fly.
I don't want to help.
Excuse me, buddies. I'm gonna have to use this.
I'm not even lying. I feel like
Here
I'm about
we
to
are.
die. Heat exhaustion. Oh, all you people who don't live in Arizona,
Yo, chat. These fire?
stay where you're at. And people who come to Arizona, please leave.
I'm
Here.
Sunday. That motion for the ocean. Point at the water.
You see that? Now point back at me. That's what you call motion.
That boy got no motion. Video. Hey, next video is gonna be tough. In the middle.
John, say bye to your rug. This shit about to get thrown in the water.
Kidding. LOL. Laugh a lot.
It's so hot in here. And if you're not from Arizona, do not come over here, bro. You guys are not gonna believe what the temperature is. It's 190 degrees for real. So if you're not from Arizona, you don't want to come over here. And people who are moving in Arizona, you guys are gonna want to leave.
Yeah, listen to him, bro. Yo, chat, peep the tag though. Come on, don't play with me. Look at, don't play. Yeah, that's a mirror. Off. Show the chat what's up there. Look at it. Look what he doing, chat.
Yo, chat. Hey, they spamming W's for him. He's about to pay me with a nice cold puller pop.
Yo, the layout, I don't know how to lay this out. There's too many rugs, guys. Too many rug guys.
Her face is popping up.
You're about to see me do a collab with Supreme one day. It's Stussy and all the big name brands. Damn, bro, I almost fell. Hey, if y'all been here, you know these are the 3 OGs. Ain't nobody still bought them. But if you want to buy them, they're on my website. Link in the description below. Oh, look at this. Right now, boom. You see that? That's Jabron with a cane. But the dude was flying his kite. It looked cool. I wanted to show you guys, but she wasn't recording.
He was flying his kite. He was flying the kite, bro. That thing looked intense,
it fell in the water,
bro. He was
chat.
like,
It fell in the water. I wanted to catch it on the fucking freaking video.
Chat, that kite was crazy, bro. That man was literally like holding on the floor tight,
Dude,
and the kite was like pulling him, bro.
That shit was dragging.
Chat, that was crazy. If I did that kite, honestly, I'd be in the water with the kite.
50 likes. And we'll,
oh, wait, they're having a wedding.
Yo, chat, there's a wedding over there.
Yo, chat, if you look at the waterfalls, you see a rainbow in the water.
Wedding. Hey, shout out to people at the wedding. Hopefully that'll be me in like a couple years, 3, 4, 5 years.
It's a beautiful scenery.